Hi everyone, this is Agnes and I want to share with you kung paano nga ba nag-work itong digital product selling na nakita mo sa TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. But make sure to stay until the end dahil baka ito na yung hinahanap mong way to achieve financial freedom. So probably you're wondering if you're in the right place. If you're one of the following, please stay until the end. If you are a full-time employee who is exhausted working too many hours at your 9-to-5 work and you want to start your own digital product business to have an additional passive income. You're also in the right place if you have tried every single side hustle under the sun like me. Na-try ko na mag-online selling in Shopee, naging Etsy seller din ako ng digital products, nag-try din ako mag-print on demand, dropshipping, also affiliate marketing on TikTok, and freelancing. But not everything is successful, syempre, kaya nagtatry pa rin ako maghanap ng ibang side hustle. I bet you're also here kasi naghahanap ka rin ng other side hustle that can generate passive income. So right now, I'm a freelancer in Upwork. Meron din akong direct client from the US while having a full-time job. So, isi-share ko sa inyo itong other side hustle ko na pwede kayong kumita ng 4 to 5 digits a week kahit part-time lang. So, una sa lahat, hindi po ito networking. Kung akala nyo po ay networking ito, is mag-exit ka na. At kung yun po ang hinahanap ninyo, mali po ang napindot ninyo, hindi po ito yun. So, this is a reselling business. So, kung familiar ka na sa pag-resell, for example, bumibili ka ng wholesale na damit or pagkain, then i-resell mo siya na may tubo. So, ganun po yung idea niya. Ang difference lang is digital product yung i-resell mo at hindi physical product na meron kang marireceive na item. Dito po, instant pag nag-avail ka, marireceive mo agad yung product na pwede mo ring i-rebrand at i-resell. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na po kailangang magbayad ng shipping fee, ganun. Kapag digital product po, instant file po ang mga marireceive ninyo. So, dito po, online course po ang i-resell ninyo. So, ano ba yung nilalaman ng course? So, sa loob ng course, tuturuan po kayo how to create your own course, how to automate it for passive income. May built-in course din na you can resell na agad-agad. May built-in funnel and website na rin siya and marketing plan for different social media platform. As in, complete na talaga siya, guys. So, bali, once you purchase, pwede mo na siyang i-rebrand as your own at i-resell right away. So, pwede ba siya sa beginner at hindi tech-savvy? Yes, pwede siya. As long as marunong kang sumunod lang ng step-by-step guide, ay ox na yon. At syempre, kailangan mo ring paglaanan ng effort at time aralin yung course. Remember, walang madaling trabaho at money don't grow on trees. So, dito, hindi rin kailangan ng maraming followers kasi in my case, kakaunti lang din naman yung followers ko pero I managed to have at least 500,000 views in my contents dahil sa tamang strategies lang siya. Marketing strategies. So, ito yung potential earning na pwede mong makuha once na nag-avail ka at ni-resell mo yung digital product at sineryoso mo yung reselling business na ito. So, ayan, kung naghahanap ka ng other side hustle mo, maybe this is the sign na mag-start ka na rin sa online business na ito. So, dito guys, kailangan nyo lang talagang i-rebrand and then you can resell the existing course already and then 100% profit sa inyo na. So, kahit natutulog kayo, tuloy-tuloy yung earnings ninyo. So, how to earn nga ba? So, first things first, kailangan nyo i-avail yung course sa amin and then you can rebrand it as your own. Done for you na siya. If ayaw nyo gumawa ng course, pwede din naman. Pero kung gusto mong gumawa ng course, pwede din naman. So, maraming ways to earn if you avail the course. So, again, 100% ROI ka sa first sale mo pa lang. The rest nakikitain nyo is 100% inyo na yun. Also, this is one-time purchase only. Once you purchase the course, it's all yours and lifetime access pa. So, here are the 3 ways how to earn in this course. So, number 1 is you can resell our existing course kung ayaw mo pang or hindi ka pa ready gumawa ng sarili mong course or inaaral mo pa how to make your own course, pwedeng-pwede naman. Basta all you need to do is rebrand it and then you can resell it readily. Number 2 is you can create your own course. If, for example, you're a freelancer and you want to share your knowledge how to become a freelancer or a VA, pwede naman. If you're a teacher or whatever your profession is, pwede naman. Pwede kang gumawa ng course kasi meron naman tayong step-by-step guide on how to create your course. So, number 3 is you can offer this skill as a service to local and international clients. So, for example, you're a freelancer, para na rin itong upskilling kasi dito matututo kang mag-build ng website at gumawa ng funnel. So, ayun, malaking bagay siya to upgrade your knowledge and skills. So, kung tatanungin niyo ako kung legit ba to, yes, definitely, oo, legit yan. Kung titingnan nyo, naka-public naman yung profile ko, social media ko. So, hindi ko naman ipagpapalit yung credibility ko dito. So, kung doubtful ka, I suggest na i-research mo muna ito before you purchase because, diba, pera yan, pinaghirapan mo yan. So, better to do your own research first. So, how can I make sales? I don't have my own proof or testimonies yet since I'm just starting. So, dito, once you purchase, you will have the access sa aming community group where you can grab testimonies inside. But make sure lang to take credit and don't use it as your own proof. You can always say that this is what you can potentially earn, ganon. And then again guys, yun, so kukunti pa nga lang yung mga may alam ng opportunity na dito sa Philippines. So if you're interested to learn more, just DM me on my TikTok or Instagram.